Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 6. Form expression using t and 4. Use not more than one number operations. Every expression must have t in it. Right? Therefore, we will solve question number A. We have four additions. We have four operation. One is addition. That means we have to use plus. One number operation is addition. One is subtraction. One is subtraction. One is subtraction, that is minus. Another is multiplication, that means multiply. And another is division, that is divided by. Another is division, that is divided by. Well, is this number operations, right? The first one we have to use two terms. One is t, another is 4. Let us find the different expressions. Number one we can write as t plus 4. This is one expression. It can be written in another way, that is 4 plus t. 4 plus t. Right? Now question next one is we can use subtraction. Right? You can use subtraction, that is t minus 4, or it can be written as also 4 minus t. 4 minus t. Now if we use multiply, that is 4t. It can be only once, and t4 is same thing, or we can write here also as, but generally we write as 4t. T into 4, t into 4, you can also write in this way, right? And the question number, and the next, if we use division, we can write, if we use division, we can write t divided by 4. And another way is 4 divided by t. Right? Here you see we have used only one number operation using the term t and 4. Right? The first one is t plus 4, 4 plus t, t minus 4, 4 minus t, 4t or t into 4, and next one is t divided by 4 or 4 divided by t. These are the various expressions, and in every expression there are t in it. Right? This is the solution of question number 6a. Now we shall solve question number 6b. In question number b, form expression using y, using y 2 and 7. Every expression must have y in it. Use only two number operations. We have to use two any number, that is you have to, either you can use addition, but only two addition. Number 2 is subtraction. Number 3 is multiplication. And the last one is the division. You can use any two number operations. Right? Here the given is y 2 and 7, and you should remember every expression must have y in it. Right? Let us write few expressions. Right? Number 1. Let us take first as addition, that is y plus 2 plus 7. Now you have to take two operations, that is one is plus, one is minus, therefore we will rub this one. We'll drop this one. One is plus. You can take y plus 2, and minus 7, right? Therefore, we have used y, 2 and 7, and there are two operations, one is plus, one is minus, right? Another expression can be written as y plus 7 minus 2. This is also an expression, right? Now, you can use, we have to use on two operations always, right? And you have to take y also. Next one is, suppose you can use in this way, that is 2y plus 7, or you can write another way, that is 2y minus 7, or you can write in another way, you can write many other expressions, write 7y plus 2. Here also you have to express that we did in two expression, one is multiply 7y, 7 into y plus 2, right? And another way of expressing this one is 7y minus 2, right? Or you can use one division, one multiply also, like 7, like y by 2 plus 7, or you can write y by 2 minus 7, right? Or you can write y by 7 plus 2, or you can write y by 7 minus 2. In this way, you can form many other expressions, right? Again, we can write in this way also, that is y plus 2 into 7, right? Or you can write 12, that is y minus 2 into 7, right? In this way, you can write many other expressions, right? Or you can write also, here we have used two operations, one is plus and one is multiply, here one is minus, one is multiply, right? In this way, you can write many other expressions. Let us take any other example, 7y plus 2, 7y minus 2, right? Multiply and plus, division and plus we have used also, right? In this way, you can write many other expressions, right? Let us take 13. This is you can used as two expression you have to take, that is y minus 2, y minus 2 plus 7. This can be also written as like this, or 14. In this way, you can write many other expressions, right? Or you can write it as 7y 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 divided by 2, or you can write many other expressions like this, that is 2y divided by 7, 15. Next is 16, that is 2y, 7y by 2 or 2y divided by 7, or you can write in another way 2 by y by 2, y by 2 again divided by y by 2 into 7. You can write in this way also y by 2 into 7, that is 7y by 2. We have written 7y by 2. Yes, we have written 7y by 2 we have written, no need of this one, right? In this way you can write many other also expression, but you have to remember that you have to take two number operations, either addition subtraction or subtraction multiplication or addition division, right? In this way you can write many other expressions. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.